Alright guys, we are going to do our last spelling test for the year, and this is just the pre-test, and this one has the ing ending. So it's something that we've done all year, so I feel like this will be a lot easier than the last one. So let's get started. Number 1 is jumping. They were jumping with joy because summer was finally here. Jumping. Number 2 is walking. They were walking to school together. Walking. Number 3 is talking. They were talking to each other on the phone every day. Talking. Number 4 is getting. They were getting married at the end of the month. Getting. Number 5 is napping. He was napping in his hammock in the nice breeze. Napping. Number 6 is singing. They were singing my favorite song during karaoke. Singing. Number 7 is chopping. They were chopping wood for their campfire. Chopping. Number 8 is packing. They were packing for vacation. Packing. Number 9 is winning. They were celebrating winning the championship. Winning. Number 10 is spilling. My coffee was spilling, but I grabbed it. Spilling. Number 11 is resting. I spent most of the day resting to get ready for school. Resting. Number 12 is hugging. The friends were hugging goodbye for the break. Hugging. Number 13 is sleeping. Be quiet because the baby is sleeping. Sleeping. Number 14 is playing. The kids were playing outside. Playing. And number 15 is running. He was running as fast as he could for the race. Running. Alright guys, we'll go through those one more time and then you guys can check the answers. Number 1 is jumping. 2, walking. 3, talking. 4, getting. 5, napping. 6, singing. 7, chopping. 8, packing. 9, winning. 10, spilling. 11, resting. Sorry guys. 12, hugging. 13, sleeping. 14, playing. And 15, running. So go ahead and check those on Teams and turn that in.